Good morning, students. This is JC Benoy, your teacher here today. I will be sharing an inspirational story today with you all so that we can all stay motivated and stay positive in these difficult times. I hope you are all doing well and are taking up your efforts, putting up more efforts to continue with your studies. Please do not ignore your studies just because we're doing it online, because it's very important to do your studies so that you can do so well ahead in our lives. All right, so I have put up a picture out on the screen, and of course you can see the name of the story there, but any guesses as to what my story could be about today, or about whom the story could be? The story is about the author of the Harry Potter series, J.K. Rowling. All right. So, with the story about J.K. Rowling today, that's what I'm going to share today with you. And hers is a life of hard work and determination, and also a story of a typical rags to riches story. Now, what do I mean by rags to riches? That is a phrase which means that somebody very poor has grown up to become very rich through their hard work and through their constant determination. Okay, and J.K. Rowling is one such person. So this is her first book in the Harry Potter series, which got a lot of recognition and was very famous and popular, and ultimately went on to start the Harry Potter movie series that we all love to enjoy. Correct? This is the Harry Potter movie poster that I've shared with you. So that is the series of movies which I'm sure if you've not read the book, you have definitely must have watched these movies, and you must have enjoyed them. But what about the author? Let's take a look at her life. Now her life was very difficult. In fact, there's a saying like, if Edison was the king of failures, if you look at Edison's life, you will know that he failed in many of his experiments, but that finally he never gave up and he finally was able to succeed. All right, but J.K. Rowling would be a story of rejections. Now, what does that mean? Her books were rejected, her manuscripts which she sent to the publishers. Now, who are publishers? Publishers are people who publish the books, print the books. Okay, so when she used to, as a writer, as a struggling writer, she used to send her manuscripts, her books to the printers. The publishers rejected her. In fact, there's a story about J.K. Rowling that her books were rejected 12 different publishers several times. And she wasn't very wealthy at that time. She was very, in fact, her life was very difficult. She had to survive on the benefits that the government of her country provided. Okay, so her life is very difficult, but she never gave up. Just because 12 different publishers rejected her book, she never stopped sending her manuscripts to the people, okay, to the printers. She kept on sending her to the different publishers. All right. This is the image of J.K. Rowling, and her name actually is Joanne Rowling. Alright, so J stands for Joanne. So, what's the name of the author? Joanne Rowling, and she is now a British author who is also a screenwriter, producer, and also a philanthropist. What's a philanthropist? Philanthropist is somebody who does a lot of work of charity. So she now is in a position to not only work for herself, but she's also able to help do a lot of charity work and help a lot of people who are suffering and who are in difficult times. Now, you all know that Harry Potter is a fantasy series. It's a story about which does not actually happen. So it's a fantasy series, and it has sold all over the world. Around 500 million copies have been sold all over the world. So that is how inspiring her story is. But what was her condition when she was writing this series? She was not always rich. Like I said, she came from a normal background. In fact, where there were times when she was not able to even feed herself. So at that time she had to depend on the benefits of the government. So there is a story where she has said that she has shared that she was inspired to write about this book on when she was traveling from Manchester, and she was waiting on the station for the train, and that is when the inspiration to write about Harry Potter struck her. The minute she came home, in spite of her circumstances, she started writing about the book, okay, the book, and then slowly it started developing into a book, and then she finally started sending it out to publishers. Now, when she had sent out to one of the publishers, she says that her condition was so bad at that time that she had to actually, she was finding it very difficult to survive. And this particular publisher whom she had sent the book to, that person rejected her book and said that we could not go through your book, but your book is rejected, okay. And he did not even return the folder in which she had sent her manuscript. So she shares now that that returning a folder, when she did not get the folder, she was so sad, because that meant she would have to spend money again on making another folder for her manuscript and then resending it out to other publishers. So she was at that time so in such a bad situation that she could not even afford that much. So her life was difficult. Even when she was writing the Harry Potter series, it wasn't very easy for her. Okay, she kept on working very hard for it. During the writing of these series, she had, when she was writing the book, her mother passed away, but she did not stop writing. Then in between, in the middle of that, she gave birth to a child. She got divorced. So there were many different things happening in her life, and it took her 7 years to actually complete the first book. But she never gave up. So there was a struggle for her while writing the book, as well as while she had to get it published. So there was a continuous struggle, but she never gave up. She took her rejection seriously. She never let that bring it down. She stayed motivated, and that is what we need to remember. What happens is we forget to stay motivated. We have a bad day, or we have a bad morning, and we just start cursing our day. We don't like the entire day. We keep saying that, we had such a pathetic day, our life is so miserable, and we start cursing others and blaming people around us. But instead of doing that, you could possibly, next time when you watch a Harry Potter movie, you could think about J.K. Rowling and get inspired by her life. You could think about how she stayed on to her work till she did not achieve success. Okay, so that is what we could take away from this story of Harry Potter. So, like I said, it's motivation that I want you to take away from this story. And I've shared a quote on the screen. It says, "A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes a lot of sweat, determination, and hard work." So if you observe any life of any successful person, like an athlete or sports person, okay, you will find that they have worked very hard to reach that position, to reach that success. Never forget your roots from where you came from, but always remember to continue working hard, because nobody gets success easily. Alright, so keep on trying. When things do not go your way, do make your best effort. Always put your best foot forward, and sooner or later success will be yours. Do not give up. Thank you.